Welcome to French Conversations for Beginners. Learn everyday French from Janina, the language teacher, and Joël from France.
Bonjour Joël.
Bonjour Janina.
Bonjour Benny.
Bonjour Mimi.
Ça va?
Je vais très bien, merci.
Oui. Okay, welcome to our episode today. We are at the café.
Au bar.
Or
À la brasserie.
Or au café.
Au café.
Okay, so it's very important language to know. Okay, if you want to get something to drink or get a meal or learn anything about Parisian life, it's kind of the central meeting point.
Yeah.
Right? The cafe. Or can you tell us a little bit about what that means, the central meeting point? It's a really important part of Parisian life, the café, Joël, because you did live in Paris.
Well, it's social life.
Okay.
The real one, not social media life, where you actually meet everyone living in your quartier, in your area.
Okay.
Everyone from every social.
So they all go to the same cafes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And so we live in the UK. You wouldn't know it by any of our accents here, right? We've got two French people and an American person. Is it similar to going to the pub? So every neighborhood, well, there's fewer and fewer pubs now, but there's still pub culture here in this country where people go, it's a place to have a drink, they do meals. Is it the same thing?
Yeah, sort of, yeah.
Okay, but it's got its own distinct flavor, right?
Yeah.
So,
The atmosphere is very different.
okay.
Where in Paris you stay at the counter and you order drinks and the barman or the owner of the brasserie is part of the
Okay.
life.
Yeah.
It's part of the family, I would say.
Okay. All right. And would you say, and I hate to put you on the spot here because I know that we've had some really good pub meals. Would you say the average meal is a little bit better at a Parisian cafe than it is at the pub, for sure?
Pubs in the UK are getting better,
Yeah?
but if you go to the Pugna, to the Auvergnat places in Paris, food is amazing.
It depends where you go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some restaurants.
Yeah, but historically the brasseries are owned by people from Auvergne
Uh-huh.
in Paris.
Okay.
There's a big mafia from Cantal, Aveyron, Corrèze, all those different parts of Auvergne.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, those places, the meals are just fabulous. Yeah, get me hungry.
Okay. So we know you are from South Central France, just outside of Lyon. But Benny, where are you from? Benedict?
I come from Normandy.
Okay. All right. And how far from the sea are you?
Probably 1 hour and a half.
About an hour and a
Yeah.
half. What's the cafe culture like where you're from? Is there a cafe culture like in Paris, how we talked about?
We can find some coffees like this.
Uh-huh.
Some brasserie. Yes, we have.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we're going to practice. We're going to do a little dialogue, and then we're going to kind of break it down and talk all about language that you need to be able to order at a cafe. And here's the situation is that Benny is my friend here, and I am trying to treat her to a drink. All right. So, on y va. Qu'est-ce que vous prenez, Benny?
Un thé nature.
Un thé?
Oui, ça sera assez. Je ne bois pas d'alcool.
Ah bon. Vous voulez manger quelque chose?
Oh non, merci. Je dois dîner chez ma sœur. Et puis, je suis au régime.
Bien. Monsieur, un thé nature pour madame?
Bien.
Et moi, j'ai très soif. Je voudrais un verre de bière.
Une pression?
Oui, c'est ça. Une pression et des cacahuètes.
Bien, madame.
All right. So let's break it down. Let's talk about what we talked about. So, I asked Sylvie. Oh, I'm sorry, not Sylvie. Sylvie is Joel's sister. She's not here.
That's Benny.
We've got
tonight.
Benny. Okay, I asked Benny what she's having.
Qu'est-ce que vous prenez?
Okay. And she said a tea.
Un thé nature.
Yeah, a tea without anything, en thé nature. Okay. And I said, just a tea?
Oui, ce sera assez.
Okay, yeah, just a tea. And then you said, yeah, that's it. So,
Oui, ce sera assez.
okay. And then you said, I don't drink alcohol.
Je ne bois pas d'alcool.
And I said, oh, okay.
Ah bon?
Do you want to eat something?
Vous voulez manger quelque chose?
And then you said, oh, no, thank you.
Oh non, merci.
I have to eat dinner at my sister's.
Je dois dîner chez ma sœur.
And also,
Et puis,
I'm on a diet.
je suis au régime.
Okay, so I said, okay.
Bien.
Okay, sir,
Monsieur,
a tea for the lady.
un thé nature pour madame.
Okay. And then you said, okay.
Bien.
And I said, and I am very thirsty.
J'ai très soif.
Okay. I said, I would like a glass of beer.
Je voudrais un verre de bière.
Okay. A draft beer?
Une pression.
Yeah, that's it.
Oui, c'est ça.
A draft beer and some peanuts.
Une pression et des cacahuètes.
Okay. All right. So when you walk into a brasserie, what would you expect somebody to say to you, or the cafe? They would say, or if you were approaching a table, what would you expect the waiter to say? I'm sorry, if the waiter were approaching a table for you, what would you expect them to say? Like,
Qu'est-ce que vous prendrez?
okay. And the verb is prendre.
Prendre.
Prendre. Okay. And, okay. And so, obviously, you order some different drinks. So we talked about l'impression, which is,
Draft beer.
and we talked about thé.
Tea.
We also talked about, we didn't talk about wine in this one, did we?
No.
So vin, un verre de vin.
Wine.
Okay, white wine,
Vin blanc.
red wine,
Vin rouge.
rosé.
Yep. Sorry. Being French, it's a bit peckish about that. You don't order a glass of red wine, you order a glass of Bordeaux, a glass of Beaujolais,
Okay.
a glass of Burgundy. Not very much in Paris. Not so much.
Okay, but you have to be specific.
Yeah.
Okay.
You call the names by the region where they come from.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's good to know.
Un verre de Beaujolais, un verre de Saumur,
Okay.
Champigny. Very chic.
Okay. And how about, what if I just want a glass of water?
Un verre d'eau. But you don't.
But, and I know whenever we go out with your mom, for example, she always wants a bottle of sparkling water.
Yeah.
How do you say it? Gazeuse.
Ou gazeuse.
Okay. And then what if I just want it still?
De l'eau plate?
Flat. Or you call it by the brand.
Okay.
Evian, Volvic.
Okay, but if you're from the United States, you're probably not going to know the brand, like why would you know the brand if you're just visiting? So it would be, okay.
Une carafe d'eau.
Okay. Carafe d'eau. Okay. All right. And then how would I ask for a glass with ice? People would want to know that.
Un verre avec des glaçons.
Des glaçons. Un verre avec des glaçons. Okay. All
Ice
right.
cubes.
All right. And how do you say I have to? I have to.
Je dois.
Je dois. I have to eat dinner.
Je dois dîner.
I have to eat.
Je dois manger.
Okay. I have to drink.
Je dois boire.
Which I see that you're doing. Joel's having a glass of wine. Okay. And so when somebody orders, what's a nice way to start it? So I would like, you would say what?
Je voudrais.
Je voudrais. And then you can just put in whatever it is that you want. But can we just talk about, we talked about at cafes, particularly in Paris. I know lots of people all over the world want to visit Paris, or they do visit Paris. We talked about, you're just going to get some basic drinks there. You're not going to get all those crazy cocktails that people are used to in the United States. They do some, I see, but it's pretty basic. Beer, wine, straight.
A lot of wine.
Yeah, lots of wine. People order bottles of wine, right? But as far as if you were to go to a cafe, because I think a lot of people want to have that experience, or the bar that we were talking about, what kind of meals could people expect to get there? What sort of standard fare? So you think this? I know you like steaks there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, entrecôte frites.
Entrecôte frites. So tell us about it. It's like a ribeye with.
French fries.
Okay. All right. And there's something from your region that you really like. Normandy.
Oh,
Fish.
No.
moule.
Oh, that is really good. But I'm talking about the brasserie. So, bravade? What's the kind?
Bavette.
Bravette. That's it. À la shallot.
À l'échalote ou au poivre.
With shallots or pepper. Okay, so it's a steak, like a flat iron steak, I guess would be the equivalent in English, with shallots and red wine. Really good. Okay. And again, probably with frites, I imagine. Okay.
Yes.
And then I know cafes where you're from, there's lots of mussels.
Croque monsieur, croque madame.
Okay, so
Very
can you tell us about what croque monsieur is?
It's sort of,
Grilled ham and cheese sandwich.
yeah, and
But what's on the top? Something special's on the top. Is it bechamel sauce on the top?
all you can have,
Yeah.
but
Butter, just butter. A lot of
butter and gruyere,
Gruyere and
cheese,
Gruyere.
cheese.
and the croque. This is the croque monsieur, and for croque madame, you have an egg on top.
Yeah, okay. And that's good cafe food. You can get something like that
Yeah,
at a cafe.
easy, yeah.
Okay, easy. So steak free, good sandwiches, moule. What else would be
Good
standard?
sandwiches with real baguette.
With real French baguette.
Yeah.
I know you missed that, honey. I'm sorry.
And always good saucisson, salami, amazing
Sausage,
ham, jambon,
ham,
jambon beurre.
ham and butter sandwich. That is really good. In Paris is the best. Yeah.
Yes, jambon beurre. That's
You're-
good.
You missed it, Benny. You seem.
Just a little bit.
Okay. So, all right. So, what were some of the verbs we talked about? We talked about dîner, have dinner, manger, to eat. Okay. So, how do you say I drink?
Je bois.
I don't drink.
Je ne bois pas.
Okay. I drink wine.
Je bois du vin.
I don't drink beer.
Je ne bois pas de bière.
Okay. How do you say something?
Quelque chose.
Quelque chose, okay. And we talked about having dinner at my sister's. I have to eat dinner at my
Je
sister's.
dois dîner avec ma sœur.
Okay. Or, actually at my sister's house, so it would be
Chez.
what? Chez.
Chez ma sœur.
Chez ma sœur. So that's important. You wouldn't say at someone's house, you would say chez and then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chez toi, chez moi, chez ma sœur.
How do you say I'm on a diet?
Je suis au régime.
I'm thirsty.
J'ai soif.
I'm hungry.
J'ai faim.
A glass.
Un verre.
A glass of beer.
Un verre de bière.
Okay. And peanuts.
Cacahuète.
Okay. All right. So I think we've talked about the stuff that I need to know. I would like to know before going to a cafe in Paris, right? How to order, what the culture's like. Is there anything you'd like to add?
Very often, if you say like cacahuète, you're gonna have anything but cacahuète. Cacahuète is just the word to meaning the accompaniment. I want something nice,
Snacky.
for my
Oh, okay. So you asked for that.
pastis
Peanuts.
or my beer. But you say cacahuète and you can have some
Crisps.
crisps or
pretzel or
chips or pretzels or anything really.
It depends of the
Depends. Yeah, and if the
Okay,
bar
that's
is
good
big
to know.
posh, you can have mini sandwiches, mini quiche Lorraine, mini pizza. You can have anything. But yeah, if you order cacahuète, usually peanuts, you don't have cacahuète.
Okay, that's good to know. That's very helpful. Okay. I'd like to thank both of you
Merci, Nina.
for the French lesson.
You're welcome.
Merci. So until next time, à la prochaine.
À bientôt.
À bientôt.
For more resources on learning and teaching languages, to get on our mailing list, or to get the workbook for this course, be sure to visit reallifelanguage.com/reallifelanguageblog. If you enjoyed this episode, please be sure to subscribe and leave a rating.